Hi guys, welcome to Creativity Inc. I'm Blue. I'm 10 years old, and um, these are what I love to do. I love to do wood builds and Lego builds. So this is one of my latest and favorite of all builds, the Apollo 11 lunar lander. It actually comes apart like the real thing. And then way before I did this, I started on origamis, like the flower cube. It opens up into a flower, but not right now. I could show you, which I will. This is one of my favorites because it took me a long time to learn, but it was one of my favorites because of just the end look and how it just folds up. It just really caught my eye. I'm gonna be making a book cover. I'm gonna use these three to start with the book cover. I'm gonna use these blues to make a nice transitioning blue. But first, let's roll out some paper. Set this to the side. Okay. Now that we have that out of the way, I'm gonna start putting down blue. First blue, because I'm gonna first put my favorite blue, this light blue. Alright, open a little bit. Squeeze a little bit over here. Okay, drop there. Drop here, and then move over here. Drop there, and right here, and then one last drop. And then we're gonna move to the next blue. Next blue is a nice dark kind of blue. It's kind of like my second favorite, so that's why I'm putting it second. But this is kind of like a nice, pretty blue that seems to just stand out. I'll put same amount of drops. Then we're gonna move on to the final blue. Final blue is like a dark night blue, and well, I'm just kind of like using what I've got, and this is kind of what I got. That was a weird noise. Who cut the cheese? Anyways, now we're gonna start painting. So we're gonna start with the top. We're gonna start with a nice, light blue. Still getting used to this. So we're gonna start by tying some string, to my pages. I'm gonna be using my leftovers as pages, and I'm gonna tie them to my back. So let's get started. Now you're gonna want to make sure that you grab it at the just right angle. I keep on slipping. So this is kind of a little bit hard, as you can see. So it's gonna take me quite a while. I'm gonna have to cut it. These are really like old antique scissors. Really cool scissors. They look really, really nice. Alright, we're gonna put one down for now. Then we're gonna start cutting more and more and more. Another pro tip, you're always gonna wanna find a secure nub because the pages are heavy and you don't want them to slide up and down. We just don't want that. So you're gonna wanna go on one side, go up, tie them, like just a simple X, pull. Then go on the other side, tie them again. Oops, there you go, tie them again. Oops. Okay, there you go, tie them again. And then right around here, you're gonna tie using these two to the spine, right about here. I want to do like a little like simple cross, and then pull, and get yourself the spine ready. As you can see, I put 2 strings on each knot, and using that secret tip, we did this and this. We did it to all of them. And now we're gonna tie these to our spine here. The way we're gonna attach these is using a release knot, which we think it is, but we're not completely sure. Anyways, look. So what we do is we go under just one, like a regular knot. Then, oops, let go of this. Just like a regular knot, we're about to do it again, right? But you want to make sure this little hole is super duper tight. And when you grab this, make sure you barely grab it. And then grab your other string and start pulling. And when you pull this little string here, make sure if the string's too small, it's perfectly fine. Just keep on doing that. And then when you pull this whole knot comes apart. I've attached all my pages to the spine, and as you can see, it was quite a lot of work. There was many pages. We had to cut this in half because, well, it'd be all over here. So now that we have this out of the way, now we're gonna need this. My mom had already cut this off. These were made into shorts. Now that we have this, we're gonna use this to attach the spine to the book itself. So I'm gonna cut into 3 pieces starting now.
Smile. Okay, go.
Okay, so as you can see, I've done the top and bottom with my jeans. Wow, I'm so glad I cut them now. I'm so glad I have a pair of shorts instead of pants. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm gonna glue in the center. I did these 2 off screen because, well, it took a little while. And now I'm gonna do the middle. To do the middle, what you're gonna want to do, what we did for all these, we first folded in half, then we kind of opened it, like doing a little airplane. And then you want to put that middle down, slowly push it down until it equals like that. And we're gonna put it down on either side. I'm just gonna do it on this side because, well, why not? Then we're gonna start with the side. It'll linger on here. Perfecto. Spiderweb. I'm gonna be using Creativity Inc.'s Patreon December pack. Just flipping through. They've got like this on this. Okay. Got all of these. We got this over here. Let's see. Got this. Can't pick this up. Why can't I pick this up? I can't. Okay. This is just a little pocket thing. So yeah, we got that. And this is Creativity's December printables. I'm gonna
turn the page, and then go from the back. There you go. No. On the thinner one. There you go. Can I grab the glue? And glue put the glue on the back on the width. The bigger one. I think it's good. More on the bigger one. Bring it up a little bit. There you go. That's it.
Okay, well, this is the end, and well, I'm gonna flip through. So, the vault was my favorite.
It really opened a lot of doors. The maze was really amazing. Oh, and well, we've got the Patriots principles. You should really subscribe and become a member. It's really awesome what you can do with it. I really recommend it. This is something I got from the marble set one. Yeah, and then this is like the maze ones. That's the vault. The astronaut one. That one really flew by. This one really, it was just a little hard. And we got a little thing here, a little essay on which one was better, a little thing, and then, well, this is the things. I'm gonna make a pocket for these sometimes in the future. This one just flew around my day. Anyways, so yeah. Okay, so thank you for watching. Subscribe. I hope you enjoy it. Goodbye.